What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Tech Daydream. In this video, I am going to talk about the JBUDS Air True Wireless Signature Earbuds from JLAB. But we are going to focus on this epic gold and black icon series. Now both of these have the same sound quality, but let's dive in and see what makes the icon series stand out even more. Then stay tuned, because after I show you what's in the box, I'll be demonstrating the touch controls and some tips to make your JBUD experience worth it. First off, we have the charging case. Both icon and the original version comes in matte black, but the gold engraving is what makes this one feel more premium. Some might feel like it's too flashy, but gold is my thing, so I'm up for it. The attached USB cable makes it so convenient. That's one less to worry about. Next are the JBUDS Air, complemented by the glossy gold logo. It's very neat and I really love the design. Now these comes with two pairs of cush fins to secure them in your ears. As you can see, I've already attached the other pair. Gel cushion tips are detachable and comes in standard with 3 sizes, small, medium and large. Now these are exclusive for the Icon series, a pair of cloud foam tips that molds itself naturally to the contour of your ears. This is one of the features the Icon series has, and I like how we have more options to try and find the right fit, especially for the True Wireless Earbuds line of products. I'll take this off for now and attach the black tip, since I kind of like black and gold for this video. I'll show you how the charging case and the earbuds are magnetic to prevent it from falling off and eventually losing it, especially when traveling. This gives you more confidence and ease, and another to worry less about. The case has LED indicators. White dots indicate the charge level, while the blue dot indicates it's charging and turns off when the earbuds are fully charged. You can actually charge the case by itself without the earbuds via the attached USB cable. White dots pulse when case is charging, then 3 solid dots indicate it's fully charged. Bluetooth connection is simple. Open up the case, wait for both earbuds LEDs to alternate white and blue, then simply connect on your phone. The LED turns solid white when connection is successful. Next, I'll demonstrate for you the advanced controls, or the touch controls for the earbuds.
JLAB Signature, Balanced, Bass Boost, JLAB Signature.
When turning off the earbuds, disconnect your Bluetooth, then tap both 3 times simultaneously, or just leave them in your case. It should turn off after 3 minutes. Another tip is to save the box and the plastic. This serves as where to store your cushion fins and cushion tips, so don't lose it. The instruction manual is also very important. Save this in case you will need to troubleshoot. And thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate your support, and I will see you on the next one.